Bob and the ghost that wouldn't stop sneezing. Bob had gotten used to ghosts. He would made peace with the one that binge-watched soap operas in his microwave, and the one that kept trying to haunt his goldfish, which was actually just a croton he accidentally dropped into a bowl of water 3 weeks ago. But then came Gerald. Gerald was a ghost with allergies. Ahoo! Bob shot up in bed. Was that ectoplasmic mucus? Probably, said Gerald, floating upside down above the ceiling fan. I'm allergic to dust and feelings. Can ghosts even have allergies? Gerald sneezed again, knocking all the books off Bob's shelf and making his blender start chanting in Latin. Apparently, Bob tried everything: ghost antihistamines, vacuuming his apartment 17 times a day, even giving Gerald a tiny ghost inhaler, which he pretended to use, but mostly just wore as a hat. Eventually, Bob took Gerald to a ghost doctor. The doctor, a ghost shaped entirely like a 4G armchair, diagnosed him with existential sinus syndrome. The only cure? Gerald had to come to terms with his unfulfilled dreams of becoming a professional kazoo player. So, Bob signed Gerald up for a kazoo recital at the local haunted community center. Gerald really nailed it, hit the high notes, wept ectoplasm, and what's more important, he never sneezed again. But the strange thing happened, because Bob's blender still chants Latin, singing Ave Maria every Tuesday, and no one, absolutely no one, knows why. If you like this video, please subscribe and put your thumbs up. Thank you.